What's up, guys? It's Mark here at Dino Trading, coming at you with today's wild market trading session that we had today. Honestly, folks, have you ever seen a trading session like we had today? Right? Where the volume indicator just straight up turns green and it just takes off like a rocket ship. Right? I was looking at this and I just couldn't believe it. You know what I mean? So I really got to remind all you active traders out there, or even all you guys that are thinking about getting into the trading game, I'm telling you, man, there's never been a better trading environment than there is right now. I've told you repeatedly, the second half of the year, starting literally with this month, is going to be epic. And I've been proven right almost on a daily basis. All right, let's get right into it, folks. What you're seeing on the screen right now is a chart of today's trading session on the NASDAQ. But don't worry, all you S&P 500 lovers, I've also got the S&P queued up here for you. All right, but we are going to come back to the S&P. I want to kick things off with the NAS because I was asking myself this question today. Are you freaking serious? You know what I mean? So for all you guys that don't know, okay, in case you have no idea what this green and red color band is, all right, this green and red color band is our proprietary volume-based profile indicator. It does a world-class job of potentially identifying the starting point of a trend in the market. You guys know this about me. I believe in trend trading systems. I personally believe that trend trading is the only proven, statistically significant style or strategy to employ if you're going to speculate in the market. I don't believe in scalping. I don't believe in trying to call tops and bottoms, none of that. I just simply want to follow the large traders, right? And what the large traders do is they give us clues when they start selling, right, as they did over here, and also when they start buying, as they did right over here. Okay, in my opinion, folks, this is the most simplistic indicator I think you're ever going to use in your entire life. It doesn't get much more simplistic than red and green. All right, now let me show you how to potentially play it. Okay, and I'm going to use today's massive bull run. All right, this volume indicator just nailed the starting point of a trend. I'm going to show you how to potentially play this and look for this type of setup on your own chart. Okay, so first let me just go ahead and clean this up a little bit, folks. 1 second, I want to zoom in here for I really want to dial you guys in. It's really important you pick up this concept. Okay, now I'm going to talk to you guys about retracements, and we're actually going to be taking a look at two types of retracements, a shallow one and a deep one. Okay, but it all starts, ladies and gentlemen, with identifying a trend change. Okay, and as you can quite clearly see, this volume indicator accurately predicted a trend change that took place right over here. This came right around 10 o'clock in the morning. So if you were not at your computer at 10 o'clock in the morning today, shame on you. I don't know what the heck else you're doing. You know what I mean? I don't know if you're sleeping in or taking the kids to school. Forget all that. Ain't nothing more important than trading. All right, if you want to do this for a living, then take it seriously. Okay, so check this out. Whenever the vol indicator changes color, what I like to do is wait for the market to come back underneath the color, all right, without changing the color of the band. That to me is my definition of a retracement. And folks, it happened. I mean, it happened right on this bar, right? The low of this bar was technically underneath the color. Now, if you want to be a little bit more maybe conservative or maybe even a little bit more strict, then watch this. I'm going to zoom out a little bit. Can you guys look at this chart and tell me if you see any other retracements right now, right? Look at this chart and tell me after this blue line, so anything to the right of this blue line, did you see the market come underneath the color and print one of these bars? Okay. Isn't that interesting how we got a textbook retracement right over here? Okay. Guys, I've told you, this is happening on what appears to be a daily basis. All you guys that were trading the NAS today and you had the vol and you hopefully followed some of my suggestions and techniques, you killed it today, man. absolutely killed it. Let's take a look at the S&P. All right, another wild session on the S&P. Let me dial you in here so you don't think it was just a fluke on the Nas. All right, let me just get rid of this here 1 second. Here's the color change. Do me a favor. Do me a personal favor. Tell me if you spot any locations where the market came underneath the color band and printed a green bar. Okay? How about that? All right, ladies and gentlemen. Look, man, don't you dare tell me that volume doesn't work. Don't you dare. Okay? In my humble opinion, volume is the only thing that works. And these retracement patterns, what other people call pullbacks, I like to call them retracements. All right, these retracement patterns, boy, do these give you a statistically significant edge over all these moron retail amateur traders who have no idea what they're doing. And just trust me when I say that having the right chart style and the right software is going to make all the difference in the world. Oh boy, you know what that sound means, ladies and gentlemen? That means that we got to take a look at the Super Vol. So let's go ahead and fire this up. Go ahead and right click in your chart, open up the indicators window, and find this bad boy right here, Super Vol background. When you do, go ahead and hit the OK button, and kablam! We got the Super Vol background popping on your charts. Let me show you how to play this, folks. You're going to freak out. Watch this. We are looking for 3 factors of confluence. All right, I want to see green on top of green on top of green. All right, we're going to start with the background. Okay, when the background turns green, then and only then do I want to start looking at the vol. Okay, the vol color band. All right, on top of that, I still want to wait for nice deep retracements. Okay, and isn't that interesting? We get one right off the bat, 9:45 a.m. Now, when the vol background is green, we are not going to be taking any opposing colors. You see how the vol color band is red? This is red against green. It's not a color match. I need to see green against green and a retracement. Can you guys spot the next one? Right? Let me put this mouse on the next one. Look at that one right over there, folks. Happening on a daily basis. Don't you dare tell me that the Super Vol background don't work, okay? Because this thing is nuts. This thing is nuts. This thing is absolutely nuts, all right? There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. What a wild, crazy session. A big shout out and a big congrats to all you guys who killed it today. I'm so happy. You guys know that makes me absolutely thrilled. I love it when my people and my customers do very, very well. And all you guys who are still on the sidelines, who are either too lazy or too indecisive to take action, shame on you. What an incredible day you missed. And I can't wait to see what this market does next. Guys, that'll do it for this video. If you'd like to get your hands on this powerful volume indicator, then get in touch, call, text, email, whatever's convenient, and I'd be happy to hook you up with a free one-on-one demo, really show you how this volume indicator is going to supercharge your trading. Guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next trade.